Under a golden sunset, a little boy and girl laughed, holding hands by their old school gate. He gave her a gift, a glowing blue heart pendant, a promise of forever. But that very night, his family moved away, and he vanished without a word. She was left alone, crying at the gate where they once stood together. He disappeared without a goodbye. For 13 long years, she never gave up hope. Every single day she returned to that same spot. Through pouring rain and heavy snow, she waited. Friends told her to forget him, that he was never coming back. But she held on to the pendant, its blue light a beacon of her faith, whispering, "I know he will." Then, one evening, exactly 13 years later, a man with familiar eyes approached her at the gate. He held the other half of her blue heart. Time stood still as their eyes met. "I never forgot you," he said, his voice thick with emotion. She whispered back, "I always knew you would." As they joined the two halves, the heart glowed brighter than ever, turning 13 years of pain into a single, perfect moment of forever. True love doesn't count the years, it counts the heartbeats.